up this morning. It's a beautiful Thursday morning and happy to be up and alive and breathing and happy to have hair on my head. It's been a journey for me. I have been doing this now for a while, and occasionally I will have people to say, why do you go to all that trouble? And I tell them, you've not seen my before picture. And so that's pretty much tells the whole story of why. You know, I've done several videos on hair, and you will look back and see me with hair of all different colors and styles, actually, because I like for things to change. I'm not ever been one for things to be the same, and I do it over and over and over. If that's you, more power to you. That's great. Not a thing wrong with that. But I like a little more variety. So you'll see sometimes I have a hairpiece on that is like 80% gray. I have this beard, and then my hair is gray around the temples and around the edges, but I have this strip right around at the top that's still quite dark. And so depending on how I cut it, I can let that dark show and use a darker hairpiece like I have today, as you can tell. Or I can leave the sides of the hairpiece a little bit longer and it blends down into that dark and the whole thing looks gray, which I like a lot too. Just depends on what kind of mood I'm in. So fellas, if you are interested in getting your hair back on your head, this is a super affordable, extremely affordable option. It doesn't take a lot of time. It is not a lot of trouble. And do my comparisons of my before and after pictures and see what you think. And let me know, comment, let me know. Said, yeah, it was a good thing for you, Rick, to do that. It's a big, huge improvement. So that's all I have for today. And I hope to see you in more videos to come. I am going to be putting up quite a few in the days to come. So anyway, blessings to you. Let's have a good one, shall we?